can't believe that you were rushed for the 4 months in a row. Yeah, we're fine. We're totally good.
I'm like on edge because I know someone's gonna do a troll thing.
Oh, the Scream donation thing?
Yeah. That's like, I'm more scared of that than I am of the game right now.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, because it's like suspenseful.
Mm-hmm.
Storm is so calm. She is. Twins! Yes, my little sister. Can't go this. She didn't even jump!
It's just kind of funny.
She didn't even freak out! You guys, that was what I was waiting for! What the cap?
It's just kind of like, ah.
Dude, I screamed so hard at that. You know what? I think the game volume's too low. Guys.
No, it's just like...
Well, that's the end of the demo.
That was it?
Yeah, this is all it is.
That was it?
Yes, I spent literally 30 minutes trying to figure out where to go next, and this is literally all the demo.
This is the whole thing?
Yeah, you just walk around with the phone, and the ghost scares you.
I just walk around and it goes, ah!
And I got so scared. I got traumatized.
You got freaked out from that?
Yes! It was louder! I swear it was louder.
Okay, maybe...
And I didn't know that ghost was
I knew that
do
was gonna happen.
I didn't. I thought she like shows up on your screen, but I didn't know what goes in your face.
Oh yeah, I totally knew it was gonna be in my face.
Fudge!
Oh, that was funny. I like triggered it.
Nothing. Alright, never mind. Okay, well, we tried it.
Okay.
Oh